Abatura abechanga che town ya Katerera omu district ya Rubirizi nibagira ngu omwirima omu streets zimwe ze town egi gubire gw'abanyangarizi. Sorezi zibahirwe Boaz atwijukire omwana w'ekicweka eki.
Webembezi bwa NRM ntufo mukozi muntu wabano basakorera abantu n'ikirungi munonga kandi nkiyamba abantu bwena biresire takozire kubi kandi kire kikusisa bwebembezi
tubyo mwirima kandi tubona bano mwirima nango bona bakasema bagenda ngo bakunda mwana bende kitangara kandi takine konka hati tufunde nambwe n'ensima go musiza Boaz atire endungu keji
twonjire twagambaho na bamwe ahabahangarire omu town egi okumara obwire buringwa barikoreramu na munonga omwabazyo ahankuto kandi aba hine kye batugambire
omusabaza be naija otamuweza ja amisho konka takuja omureba je omwetegereza omubona oshangamu ko mutayine kenyondo utamwetegereza ukati no mureba omumanya
bahambira omugera ababoda babiberaho n'abantu abakutambura babiho bushaho bwabo konke kintu cye bitara kiyambira abantu abo kwa nora kuruga kuri kwika umuntu nora omota kine kwerarikirira kona
Boaz atwijukire nagira ngu n'ekitekateko kye okurebeka ngu ekyanga eki chargahidara chaza harindi. Aba ministry y'obwiga bw'omwitaka bayoreka okwerarikirira aha mutindo gw'amajuta omwihanga. Stephen Barisagara ori commissioner o ministry yajwekera minister w'ebyobwiga bw'omwitaka nagira ngu no barachebere omutindo gw'amajuta bakatandikira ha boda mpaka handijo ayo barugaguriza bashangire nibashangamo amajuta gatabonire.
Aba gatunda nabane benda amagoba mingi bashara mu bakwata parafine rugure sengenshi bagita na diesel ninga petrol kugira ngo bongera amago obundi baguza amajuta gatahira umushoro.
It brings unfair competition within the fuel industry with those who are doing the right thing because of adulteration the price at which they sell this adulterated product is less compared to those who are selling pure product. So these institutions also are helping to manage, to level the business ground so that there is fair competition.
Chitimbo nagira ngu no bagerizeho kurwanira omutindo gw'amajuta ekizibu bwa hati basigize okurwanisa abo abatari kushashura omushoro nangwa nabo abarukugatasya omwihanga omuringo gw'obushuma.
By the time we began this project, the rate of dumping was so much and the rate of smuggling also was so much. This was around the lake areas, the areas of Bono. But as we talk now, we are managing to almost wipe out those cases of dumping and smuggling the product into the market.
All East African partner states agreed when we were making standards, agreed on one standard for petrol or for diesel.
Omu mwaka 2018 gavumenti ekatandika ehuriro y'okurwanisa amajuta mabi omwihanga kandi okurugobwe amajuta agarukwihika obucweka 30 aharigana gakwasirwe ekitumira omutindo gwabonera okuhika aha bucweka kamwe aharigana. Amakuru aga gashakwa Onesimus Ndyanabo na Edison Kinene.